Let's understand class 6th maths chapter 1st, that is knowing our numbers. Today we are going to talk about first exercise 1.1, in that question 1. What we will do is, before understanding the question, we will understand the concept on which this question is based on. So let's first understand the concept. So if you look at your textbook, page number 8, NCERT maths textbook, there is one box given of remember. It says that, so let's first understand concept. This concept is given on page number 8 of your NCERT textbook. It says that 100 is equal to 10 tens. It means that in 100, how many tens are involved? 10 times tens are involved. Now, how can we find out this? We can say that 100, this is 100, and this tens, how many? We are talking about tens. So we will divide this 100 by 10. This 0 cancel. So your answer is 10. And this 10 is here. That is 10 tens. Alright. Now let's understand the second one. It says that 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds. Now the question is, how do we know about this 10? So write down 1000. This, we are talking about hundreds. So we will divide this 1000 by 100. 0 cancel. And now your answer is 10. This 10 is here. Right? Now in the same question you are given tens also. So let's look at that. So let's talk about the next one. In the same question you are given that 1000 is equal to 100 tens. Now the question is, how do we know that there are 100 tens involved in 1000? So as we do here, write down 1000 and we are concerned with tens. So we will write down 10 here. 0 cancel, and our answer is 100. This 100 is actually this. So we can say that in 1000, 100 tens are involved. Right? Now let's look at the next one. So the next question is 1 lakh. 1 lakh is equal to, now instead of that number I'll just put blank here. So 1 lakh is equal to dash thousands. Here we are dealing with lakh. So let's first write down 1 lakh. Here we are dealing with 1000. So let's first put upon 1000. Basically we are dividing here. Why? Because we need to see that in 1 lakh how many thousands are involved, right? Or how many thousands are included. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I can easily say that 100 is your answer. So here I can say 100. This is your answer. That in 1 lakh, 100 thousands are involved or included. Now, in the same question, they have given hundreds also. So let's look at that. It says that 1 lakh is equal to dash hundreds. They have given the value, but I am keeping here blank so that we understand that when these type of questions asked, how do we solve them? So let's first write down 1 lakh. Then we are concerned with hundreds. So let's put 100. 2 0 cancel. So now we are left with 1000. So that is what your answer is. That is 1000 hundreds. So in 1 lakh, 1000 hundreds are included. Now let's look at the next one. The next one says that 1 crore. 1 crore is equal to dash lakhs. So let's first write down 1 crore. And upon we will write lakhs. Here 5 zeros cancel and here also 5 zeros cancel. So now I can say that this 100 is our answer. That is 100 lakhs. In the same question you are asked 1 crore is equal to dash thousands. They have given the answer, but we are keeping it blank. So let's first write down 1 crore. Divided by, we will use 1000 here. So 3 zeros are cancelled. So our answer is 10,000, right? So we can say that in 1 crore, 10,000 times thousands are involved. That is, in 1 crore, 10,000 times thousands are included. Now before we actually start our calculation of exercise first, let's first understand that how many zeros are involved in any number if they are talking about Indian number system. Because to know that how many numbers or how many zeros are there in particular number, it is very important to solve this type of questions. So let's first look at that. So according to the Indian number system, the very small value, that is the first one, is unit value. That is, we call ones. So in ones there are no zeros involved. So there is no zero, so there is only 1. The next one is tens. That is 1 0. The next one is hundreds. So 2 0. Then 1000. That is 3 0. Then 10,000. Because we are talking about place or place value, we have to write thousands, hundreds, like that. So here 10,000. So 4 zeros are involved. Then lakhs. So 5 0. Then 10 lakhs. Right? So here one more zero. Okay? Then we have crore. Seven zeros are involved. So here you can see no zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Now, so here after crore there is 10 crore. So 8 zeros will be there. Okay, so how many zeros are there? 8 zeros are there. Alright. Now after that we do have Arab and 10 Arab, but we are not going to deal with that. But let me just mention for the sake of your understanding. So here Arab and here 10 Arab. So here we will have 9 zeros and then 10 zeros. Alright. So basically this we are talking about Indian place value chart. So according to Indian place value, we have different periods. Okay, so let's look at that also. So here we will start from the small one. So we have ones, tens and 100. So they make ones period. Then we have 1000 and 10,000. So they make thousands period. Then we have lakh. So it is lakhs period. Then we have crores. So this is crores period. So this is how we have different periods involved in Indian place value system. Now let's talk about international place value chart, because sometimes we are asked in numbers in millions also. So at that time we should know that how many zeros are there. Okay, so for that let's look at international place value. So here see ones, tens and hundreds, this is ones period, okay, which is same as Indian number system, right? So here we will write in ones no zero, okay, so we will just write 1. Tens 1 0, 100 2 zeros, 1000 3 zeros, 10,000 4 zeros. Now till 10,000 it is same, okay, but the only difference is 100,000, right? In Indian system there is no 100,000, instead there is lakh, right? So here at 6th number in international place value it is 100,000, so 5 zeros will be there. In millions 6 zeros. In 10 millions 7 zeros. In 100 millions 8 zeros. In billions 9 zeros. And in 10 billions 10 zeros. Correct? So this is how international place value chart we can create, or we can write down the value in international place value chart. So this is ones period in international system, okay. Then we have 1000, right? So in 1000 we have 3. Then we have million. In that also we have 3 digits. This is millions. So the name of the period is million. And here this is billions. Now here also 3 digits involved, but we don't need it. So basically here there is one more, 100 billion. So 10 billion and 100 billion. But we don't need, so we are not writing it. But this is billions. The name of the period is billions. Alright. So this is how it will be. Ones period, 1000 period, millions period and billions period. This is about international place value chart.